So you invited your mom here today.
Yep.
And what made you want to bring your mom to this today?
I had tried to invite some friends, and I think it's just too scary for a lot of people. So I had sent it out on Facebook to a couple of my groups and got almost no response. One person maybe. And so I was like, I'll just try my mom. I'll feel better if I have someone to go with. So I tried my mom and no response.
So I thought, well, I will support my daughter in whatever she wants to do. And it just made me anxious. I thought, I have a great relationship with my husband. I don't want to deal with this. And so I put this whole workshop completely out of my mind. It's like, okay, I'll go just for Nikki. But then I came and I realized, well, this is who I am. It's a wonderful part of life. And even though I have a great relationship with my husband, I have a lot of hang-ups, I think, that are natural or comfortable. And I just realized that even though this is a private thing between us, I need to foster that relationship more. And it's a second marriage, so I'm trying to figure out, my first husband died, how does this all fit together sometimes? I mean, there are a lot of things to deal with and to improve in life. So it's been and then I think when she started the workshop out, she said, when was the last time you've heard someone speak positively about sex? And I think because it's been so degraded through life that we need to make it a positive thing in the world, because it is a positive thing. So go ahead with the rest of yours.
I don't know, were there other questions?
What made you want to come today? And be brave and reach out to your friends and your mom and everything.
Well, so I've read Laura Brotherson's books, and I don't know, it's just one of those constant challenges in marriage. We work on it a lot, and I feel like my husband does so much for me. I've actually, she talked about the things that people can do, that your husband can do to make you feel loved, and I feel like he does like everything for you. So things are so good, but it's always been the aspect of life that's harder. And so we've worked on it a lot. We've read her books.
And I didn't teach it very well. I didn't do very much to foster a positive.
Oh, you're cute.
There kind of wasn't language about it before. Like, I think Laura makes it a very tangible thing, whereas the conversation didn't exist, and now it's existing.
Right. Well, and the thing that was probably the most helpful was listening to her cute little podcasts that were so positive, and it kept kind of help retraining some of that negative. But I thought, if I can go in person, maybe I can embrace and have a time set aside too, because I do have 5 little kids pregnant, so it's nice to set aside time when you can really think about, embrace, and work through some challenges, so you can get to a place where you're more whole and happy.
I love it. Thank you so much.